Come on, let's check out this machine today. This right here is the SR250R. This machine rolled off the production line in 2015. This is an extraordinary machine with top-tier efficiency and robust performance. It achieves a drilling diameter of 2.3 meters. Its power head torque is 260 Nm. It is paired with a Mitsubishi engine, Kawasaki main pump. The engine matches well with the equipment's hydraulic system. It guarantees the equipment's operational efficiency while boosting fuel economy. If you're interested, contact us now. Time is valuable. First come, first served.